Hey guys, we've done a little bit more work on the car. I thought I'd jump in and just give a quick update. I learned a lot of stuff on the first video, as one of them being way too long. I think people just want to kind of jump in, see what's going on, jump out, so we're going to do some of that. And I think we're going to make some longer videos of when we get more in depth into the teardown and so forth. So really quick, I'm just going to walk around and give you a quick update on where we're at, and then tomorrow and Saturday, probably Saturday, we'll do another video with Joe, and while he's over here helping and so forth. And part of the project, and I know most of you are in the same boat, is to get this garage cleaned up, you know, good enough to where we can get around. We're going to be pulling this motor out, and with the Turbo 400 we have plans for another, you know, project that's we have sitting around right now for those parts, because this is still a good motor. The 400 tranny that is probably only got you know, 10 passes at the drag strip. So we're gonna work on that. I'm gonna walk you around the car really quick and kind of show you what we are seeing with this car. Since you last saw it, we got the fenders off. We're taking off the core support and so forth, but what we did notice, and you can kind of see it right here, the original paint was black, so it just confirms it. Although I think the car was probably hit, because I'm seeing actually some blue down here around the hinges and stuff, so I can't really get it on. Yeah, there it is. There's some blue there, so I think this door was hit once before, and we'll have to make sure we document all that. Now, what I've done already, really quick, is I did this previously. Is that we got the tubular A-arms. I had to replace the A-arms because they were bent, and I just thought, well, these nice new tubular ones would be a good way to go, but I did them about 1.5 years ago. And as we can see already, right there, you can see that the rubber's already starting to crack on the U-joints and ball joints that not U-joints, ball joints we did. So I'm going to have to take it all off again. I ordered some replacement parts for that. Grab some of this stuff. And today we're going to continue taking off the core support in front, and the other fender. And then I drained, the radiator came out and everything. So the plans is to pull this motor, finish up the front end, which I'm going to have a lot of trouble with, and I'll have to bring in some help for that, to get some expertise. We're going to be changing this manual box out, the manual steering box. We're going to pull that, and we're going to upgrade to power brakes, and then we're going to add vintage air, which is going to be a project, and I'm going to try to do it all myself. And of course, the motor that we ordered already has the power steering pump. I'm going to have to figure out how to match that up with an old box, alternator, air conditioning pumps already on it. I don't know about you, but I always used to hate monkeying with the pulleys. It never seemed to align, so I said, you know, right off the bat, I'm going to make sure that everything I need is done on this motor, so I don't have to monkey with it. So anyway, that's a quick little video. Give us an update on what's going on. I'll post this and let you know, guys, how it's going. Well, so bye for now. Oh, now it fell.
There's a flat blade screwdriver.
Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna make it quick this time. We're not gonna do a 20-minute video, but you can see what we've done so far. We've attacked it, taken the fenders off, getting ready to yank the motor right now. So we're making good progress for a week. I was gonna show you some of the stuff that was done to the car that we didn't show last time because you couldn't really see it, but it does have the we started on the A-arms, disc brakes. Yeah, it broke. The old motor's coming out. New motor's going in. So I want to make it brief. I did do some earlier. I'm going to slice into here. We are seeing some of the colors coming on the car. As you can see, we talked about it before. She was black. So yeah, we definitely, she's definitely a black car. So we're going to get back to work and pull this motor out.
Brent, do you think that comes with the body kit? Probably doesn't, huh? With the bolts and stuff.